Welcome back to Leaseweb Tech Demos. Today we're covering the process of downloading your Kubeconfig file and deploying the Kubernetes dashboard. By the end, you'll be able to monitor, configure, and manage your cluster all from a single interface. Let's jump in and get started. To connect to your group's collection of computers or cluster, you need to follow these steps. Download the Kubeconfig file. This is a special file that acts like a guide, helping your computer know how to communicate with the group's computers. Tell your computer where to find this file. You do this by setting an environment variable. On a Linux or Mac computer, you can do this by using a command in the terminal. Open your terminal application and type the following command. Replace path to your Kubeconfig file with the actual location where you save the config file. To complete these steps, you set up your computer to understand where to find the necessary information to communicate with and manage the group's computers in the cluster. After downloading the necessary files, run this command to install the Kubernetes dashboard. To see if everything is running correctly, use this command below. Create a configuration file for the service account and the cluster role binding. Then apply this configuration with the below. Generate a token for the user admin with this command. Copy the generated token, as you'll need this later. Use this command to make the dashboard accessible via a secure URL. Open your web browser and go to the hyperlink. When prompted, enter the token you generated earlier. By following these steps and using these commands, you set up and access the Kubernetes dashboard. And that's a wrap. Your Kubeconfig is downloaded, the Kubernetes dashboard is set up, and you're ready to manage your cluster efficiently. Keep an eye out for more Leaseweb Tech demos to help you optimize your infrastructure. And feel free to reach out with any questions.